How to activate Instagram dark mode. Running Instagram in dark mode can help conserve power. It's easier on the eyes at night. The contrast can make text easier to read, and perhaps most importantly, it just looks cool. To turn on dark mode for Instagram, all you have to do is update your device's operating system to Android 10 or iOS 13 as well as your Instagram app. There is no way to toggle Instagram's dark mode on and off in the app settings itself. To turn on dark mode for Instagram, go to your Android or iOS device settings, tap Display and Brightness, and tap the dark mode button. By turning on dark mode in your device's settings, you may see dark mode activated on several apps, not just Instagram. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting tech videos. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Also, hit the like button and comment. It would be great to know your opinions about my tutorials. Also, you can make requests for new tutorials. See you soon.